Hello guys, I'm pretty sure I'm on the right platform number 2. So sana hindi umira lang pagka-vocals ko dito, kasi mamaya pa naman darating yung train. I'm pretty sure I'm in the right platform. Kanina nakita ko magkamali. So it says 11:36 na darating yung train. Tagal pala maghintay. So ayun, we'll see. Very tempting to ask some people here, but I know I can manage. Hintay lang tayo.